Let's see how you can start to stream on Kick using OBS Studio. So first of all, make sure you have installed the OBS Studio on your PC. Now go back to your Kick and click on your profile photo and click on Creator Dashboard. In here, you find this stream info option. So click on this edit option. Now from here, you can edit your stream title. You can select here your streaming category. You can choose here a language to stream. And you can turn on 18+ mature audience only option from here. After doing this, in this left-hand menu, click on stream URL and key. And here you will find your Kick stream URL. Just copy this stream URL. Before that, you need to verify your Kick account email address. So I'm just going to my Gmail and let's copy the code from here and let's verify it. And then you will be able to copy your stream URL. So copy your stream URL, go back to your OBS Studio, click on settings, select stream, click on service, select custom. In the server box, paste your stream URL. Now go back to your Kick and copy your stream key and paste here your stream key and click on apply and click on OK. And now before starting your live stream, again go to your OBS settings, select output, and here output mode select simple, and video bitrate I'm selecting here 6000 to stream smoothly, and encoder I'm selecting this option. Then click on apply, then select the audio option. In here select your output device and select here your microphone. Click on apply and then go to video section, and here you can choose your video canvas resolution, and you can also change frame rate. I'm selecting 60 frame rate and clicking on apply and OK. Now all you have to need under sources, click this plus icon, and here you can select game capture or display capture. So here, so I'm selecting my display, clicking on OK. That's how you can just go ahead and add your game or recorded video game. The same way, you can click this plus icon to add more sources. You can add your microphone audio output. You can add here an image or a text or a webcam. Okay, now all you have to need, click on start streaming. Once the streaming connected, go back to your Kick and click on stream. And here we can see my OBS sources successfully connected with Kick now. And that's it. As you can see, my live stream successfully started to Kick from OBS Studio.